Now let's talk about possessive adjectives. Look at the examples on the slide. Чей это мобильник? Ваш? Whose cell phone is that? Yours? Нет, он не наш. No, it's not ours. Это его мобильник. It's his cell phone. Let's substitute a different noun. Радио. Чье это радио? Ваше? Нет, оно не наше. Это его радио. So we're asking whose radio it is. Radio is neuter, so we changed the form of whose and the form of yours and the form of ours from masculine to neuter. Чей went to чье, ваш went to ваше, он for it went to оно, and наш went to наше. The only form that did not change was the word for his. His never changes. It's always его. Now let's ask about кассета, which is feminine. Look how the forms change. Чья это кассета? Ваша? Нет, она не наша. It's not ours. Это его кассета. It's his. Now let's change the noun to a plural noun. Журналы, magazines. Чьи это журналы? Ваши. Whose magazines are those? Yours? Нет, они не наши. Это его журналы. So all of those words that modified the noun журналы again changed. Чьи, ваши, они, наши. The only form that remained totally stable is его, his, because the word his never changes. Это его журналы. Now let's put in computer and change the modifiers. We're going to ask if the computer is yours, having to do with you singular, ты. Чей это компьютер? Твой? Нет, он не мой. Это ее компьютер. It's her computer. We'll find that ее also never changes, the word for hers. Let's stick in a neuter noun again, this time письмо, letter, the type of letter that you write to somebody. Чье это письмо? Твое? Нет, оно не мое. No, it's not mine. The оно here matches письмо. Это ее письмо. And again, ее doesn't change. The word for hers doesn't change. Его doesn't change, and ее doesn't change. Let's put in the word игра, the word for game. Чья это игра? Твоя? Нет, она не моя. No, it's not mine. It's her game. Это ее игра. Again, ее doesn't change. Now let's pluralize. The word очки means glasses, and it's plural. Чьи это очки? Твои? Нет, они не мои. Это ее очки. They're her glasses. The chart on this slide gives you all of the forms for whose, mine, yours, ours, and yours having to do with вы. I'm going to read those forms straight off the chart. Чей, мой, твой, наш, and ваш to agree with masculine nouns. And remember, these modifiers agree with the noun in question, not with the person who owns that noun. So, чей компьютер, мой компьютер, твой компьютер, наш компьютер, ваш компьютер, because computer is masculine, not because I'm masculine. Neuter, чье, as in чье письмо, мое письмо, твое письмо, наше письмо, ваше письмо. Feminine, чья. Let's pick a feminine noun, such as книга. Чья книга, моя книга, твоя книга, наша книга, and ваша книга. Now let's ask whose with a plural, whose cassettes. Чьи кассеты, мои кассеты, твои кассеты, наши кассеты, ваши кассеты. Let's practice with these words, with these possessive adjectives. Whose visa is this? Is it yours? What would you do for the word whose? If you guessed чья, you're correct because visa is feminine. Чья это visa. Now what about yours? Is it going to be твой? No. It will be твоя because visa is feminine. Она твоя. Now let's put in the word паспорт. Паспорт is masculine. So all of the words in yellow on this slide will change. Чей это паспорт? The word for it will now have to be masculine, он, and the word for yours will also have to be masculine, Он твой? Now test yourself to see whether you can do this on your own. How would you say, whose passport is this? Is it yours? Will it be чей это паспорт? Он ваш? Чья это паспорт? Она ваша? Чье это паспорт? Оно ваше? Чьи это паспорт? Они ваши. The correct answer is masculine. Чей это паспорт? Он ваш?